Pallet furniture is a popular DIY trend that involves using wooden pallets to create unique and stylish pieces of furniture. Pallets are typically used for shipping and can be obtained for free or at a low cost from warehouses, shipping yards, or online marketplaces. To make furniture out of pallets, people typically disassemble the pallets by removing the nails and separating the individual wooden planks. The planks can then be sanded down to create a smooth surface and cut to the desired length and width. The planks can be assembled in a variety of ways to create different types of furniture, such as tables, chairs, bed frames, bookshelves, and more. Some common techniques for assembling pallet furniture include stacking. Planks can be stacked and secured together to create a platform or base for furniture pieces. Laying. Planks can be laid side by side and secured together to create a flat surface, such as a tabletop or shelving unit. Framing. Planks can be cut to create a frame and then secured together to create a more intricate piece of furniture, such as a bed frame or chair. Once the furniture is assembled, people often finish it with a protective coat of paint or varnish to give it a polished look and to protect it from the elements. Overall, making furniture out of pallets is a creative and sustainable way to repurpose materials and create unique pieces for your home. However, it's important to keep in mind that pallets may not be made from high-quality wood and may require some extra effort to make them suitable for furniture making.